Alright, welcome back on board, crew, and welcome to another episode of Back on Board. This week's going to be kind of different, and I know I always say that, but this week really is going to be different. I've been getting a lot of questions about drones and all that stuff about how I shoot some of my videos. So I'm going to show y'all the two different, not my two different drones I use, but the two different types of flying I use to achieve the shots that I do. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so these are the two different styles of drones that I fly. This is the DJI Maverick Air. In the FPV world, we call them automated because they have altitude hold, GPS, 6 different sensors. It knows exactly where it's at. So there's tons of information. I'm not really going to dwell on that thing. This is a FPV racing quad. This is what I really like flying and filming with. So basically the way it works in a nutshell is it uses this little camera right here, and I wear those goggles, and it transmits an analog signal like an old television, and it's staticky and stuff like that, so you really can't use that to film with. So you have to add a GoPro on top. And these things are super fun to fly, but there's not a lot of information out there because it's not something like the DJI where you can just go to Best Buy and buy it. This is a hobby. There's a lot to it. You gotta have a lot of people build their own aircraft, and then once you build the aircraft, then you gotta have batteries, a remote, goggles, 3D printer some point in time. You gotta have a charger. So there's a lot to it. But I'll show y'all some footage of both of those flying. And if you're more interested in it, one thing I will tell you is I'll link some footage of me flying on a flight simulator. And that's what you're going to have to start out with first of all if you want to learn how to fly. You need some time on the flight simulator, and from there you can get what we call a Tiny Whoop, which is a really small FPV racing quad that you can fly indoors, and that's the best way to practice before you go out and step up and buy one of these bad boys. But alright, enough of me rambling on, let's get to some flying.
The shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary?
Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed watching the footage of me flying around and seeing a new little video I'm working on with the Tiny Whoop. I figured I'd end this video with some simulator footage, and if you check out the bottom part of the screen, you can see my stick movements and see what it takes to fly around like this. But hope y'all have a good week, and remember, if you have a goal you're trying to achieve, you just got to push for it, work hard. See you on the next one.